Strengthening Faith 74. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the leaders of the modern world. It was quite obvious that they take advantage of their position, as they misuse the taxpayers' wealth on their own personal things and unnecessary events. It is a shame how things have changed so much since the day of the righteous predecessors. In those days, when they became leaders, they in fact became the servants of the people, and instead of spending the people's wealth on their own personal things, they would spend their own personal wealth on the people. Whereas, nowadays the leaders and royal families instead spend the wealth of the people, and behave as if they are the masters of the nation. It is important for Muslims to select the righteous predecessors as their role models, and adopt their characteristics. For example, Muslims must fulfill their duties towards all those under their care, which has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 2928. This does not mean one should not care about themselves. It means they should fulfill their own personal duties, and then strive to fulfill their duties in respect to their dependents without going overboard. They must first obey Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and fulfill the rights of people. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.